Alright, I'm up at the dump. We've got a lot of rain and I can't really look for arrowheads in creeks or on the river. The river's been up for like 2 weeks. But I'm up at the dump, and after these rains I usually find stuff laying out. I got a figure right here. It looks like it's probably an old Marks thing, but it's like a cowboy or something, or an infantryman, and it looks like he had a gun, but it must have been an interchangeable one. That's very cool. It might be Civil War. I'll put up pictures. I'd say that's what it is, or some pioneer guy. Well, anyway, that's cool. Later. Alright, right back in there I started raking, and I just got an embossed like Isley sour cream jar or something. That's not a milk, I don't think. Maybe it is. It's a wide mouth one now. But hold on. Man, this is nice. I've only been here about a half hour too. Oh yeah. Look at that. That might have had, well, it says 1 pint liquid. And Isley's real big. Wow, not any damage. It's really nice. Like he's big and boss like dairy products. Look at that. Beautiful find. Well, anyway, folks, I'll keep at it later. Just raked out. Check this out. It's a bottle topper. It's a knight in armor head with the shield on it. That's awesome. Check it out, folks. Get right on a bottle. That's nice. That's very cool. Later. Alright, I just got this insulator, but it has a chip in it. And it's one of the 1893 ones. And I take these, my mom puts them on like glass rods around flower beds, the damaged ones. So I'll take that one for her. You can see I got blue bottles in here and some mason jars. And there's that embossed milk. But I got another insulator, it's nicer than that one. Just a couple minutes after I found that one. And it's blue glass. And it says 1890 something on it. 1893. And it's nice blue glass. It's a nice one. Anyway, folks, later. I'm finding some cool stuff back in this pit I'm digging. I just found that insulator, and a couple minutes later I got me a nice jumbo peanut butter, and I think this one's different than them other ones, the texture on it, and it says nothing on the bottom except some numbers there, and I can't really see them yet. See a 14 maybe, I don't know, but it's got that embossed elephant head on it. I love these. I only have 4 or 5 of them, and this is just absolutely perfect. Mason jar lids fit them. I love these. Most of them are embossed, like all the kids love jumbo and other stuff on the bottom, and this one's the only one I have that's not embossed like that. So that's a good piece from my collection. Another variant of this. And I love this jar. Later, fix. Alright, here's my jumbo peanut butter jars, and these have old mason jar lids on them from the dump. And this smaller one is the only one of these I've ever found. It's a smaller size one. And this is a smaller size than these big ones, but this is the one I just found, and it is different. There's nothing on the bottom. And you can see these other ones say stuff like jumbo, good enough for me. And accept no substitute for jumbo. And you can see the lines are much thicker than on this. And see the backs are different on a lot of these. See, this one has a space in it. They're all different. Every jar I found up there is different, so there must be a lot of variants. The elephant's different on some of them. See, this one has grooves on these nose, and none of these other ones don't. Some of these other ones are different too. Like these two are different. So these are different age jars of jumbo. So this is a pretty cool find, getting another one for my collection. Well, I just wanted to show you that. I found a bunch of pretty good stuff. 3 insulators, and got this cool bottle. That might be a snuff bottle, I'm not sure. It's made in Japan. It's real cool milk glass. Got this cool insulator with a star, and another one of these. See, I have several from this week right here. But this is getting pretty filled up from this year. Got stuff up on the top too. It's starting to look good. Finding a bunch of stuff this year. There's that little guy. I'll put him over here. But I'll get back at you the next time I go out. Later. Alright, well, I got another insulator there. This is the third one for the day. Got one perfect blue one, one damaged one, and this one's whole. It's another one of these clear ones. It's absolutely perfect. It's a Hemingway. It says Hemingway made in the USA on the other side. Nice find. I'm not going to stay too much longer. I can finally wear long sleeve shirts now. But it's kind of hot today, and I'm hurting. But it's a lot more comfortable with the shirt on, digging in the dirt. I must push on a little bit longer, but I'm starting to sweat real bad, so I'm not going to stay after that for a while. But I'm working back in here. I moved from the last spot I was at. It was kind of couldn't find much, but raking down in here, raked out another insulator. Oh man, this one has a star on it. Oh, it's different. It's got a big embossed star right on it. Look at that. I've never even seen this one before. Wow, that's awesome, and it's perfect, and it's green. It's not blue, it's green. Wow, this is cool. It's very cool, and it's perfect. Look, there's not a chip or a crack anywhere. All right, with an embossed star. Man, I'm on the insulators today. I think that's number 4. A couple have damage, but they'll look nice in my mom's flower garden on rods around plants. Boy, that's nice. Green glass. Wow. Later, fix. Back, I moved up in here to where I found them marbles, and I found a layer real deep, and I'm starting to find marbles in it. I got another one that's a clear one I didn't show, but this is red and white, and it's got a clear base. You can see into the marble. It's kind of copper colored on the inside. That's nice. Perfect. Later. Alright, here's some of the stuff I got. Got this milk I didn't show it. It says, well, that's not the one. I got one that has like a dairy name on the bottom. Ferguson Farms. I don't think it has any embossing. It probably had spray on label. Got this sunspot. Got 4 insulators. 2 of them have damage, but 2 of them do not, and I don't have this one. Has a star on it. Up here I got this nice cork whiskey. It's got something in it like I don't know what that is, but I'll soak that and clean it out. It's nice. Got a nice jumbo peanut butter. It's different than any one I have. It has some roots growing on the inside, but it's perfect. I got this real nice Isley's embossed. Like, I don't know if that's like sour cream or what was in that. It's a thicker top. And I got some blue bottles and stuff, and a nice marble and this little guy. And I haven't been here too long, but I'm filthy, and I've got on a long sleeve shirt, and I'm just wringing wet. I'm starting to get like sweating and cold. Great, I was just getting ready to leave. I did my exit video and was showing the stuff I found, and I flipped this out, and it's a little white milk glass cork, and it's got embossing on it. It says made in Japan. Yeah, it does. It says made in Japan. Wow, that is cool. That is very cool. Look at that. Made in Japan, embossed. Wow, that's very cool. Later, folks. Yeah, I'm trying to leave. I had to walk down there over the hill where I was digging and get one of my hand rakes, and saw a piece of a bottle sticking out, pulled it out, and it was this Sistersville Coca-Cola from the 1940s. We'll put that in the bag. And I got another one of these little doll baby bottles for a little girl's doll baby. It would have had a nipple up here on the top. I found these before if you go back in my videos. Some of them have like embossing on here, words and animals. This is a plain one, but I'll still take it. I probably got a dozen of these from this dump. That's crazy. They wouldn't make them out of glass anymore because of the hazard to children. But two more things to take. Got a whole bag full of stuff now. Some cool stuff today. Well, that's probably 25 pounds worth of stuff. Later.